That's why people continue to stay, and that's why in under a year, we're already approaching 900,000 members, hoping to get over 1 million by the end of this year. I think we could do it. We've got an exciting promotion that we'll talk about here tonight to kind of give you guys even more incentive and more reward to go out there and do it. But big things are happening in Livegood, as you've probably heard. And you've got an opportunity to position yourself in front of it. It sounds like a big number. 900,000 people have joined this company. No other company in the history of the industry has put in that many people in that fast or short amount of time. But at the same time, guys, this is just the beginning. We have not even started yet. We are just beginning to scratch the surface. And I believe in 2024, we'll bring in another 3 to 5 million new people. And you have the opportunity to position yourself in front of that, help bring all these people in, and really even have an opportunity to earn on a very large number of them